My name is Stuart Jinks and I'm a solution architect in the engineering and manufacturing team deploying Insights Hub into Rolls-Royce into a production environment. Rolls-Royce is an aerospace company that manufactures aero engines primarily.
My name is Matt Bradford. I'm the Rolls-Royce Group IT Domain Architect supporting engineering and manufacturing capabilities. I started as part of an IT supplier 23 years ago on the Rolls-Royce account. I developed from a developer into a technical lead, into an IT integrator, into an IT architect, trying to develop a system which was fundamentally a digital thread. We're a company that generates, transform and consume data throughout the entire life cycle, and we don't manage data as well as we could.
We're really trying to allow our engineers to store data compliantly and be able to find that data really easily. This data is 50 years old in some places, so we've got some really old data with some really old apps connecting to it.
Digital transformation for Rolls-Royce, it's primarily concerned with moving from a traditional document-based approach for doing everything, which is rigorous and thorough, into a model-based approach. So a design engineer can get the data they need to do their job and spend their time being an aerospace engineer developing product, and they can pass that data through to the teams that then need to consume that data. So using Insights Hub in a slightly unusual way to act as a global store of data provides us with a searchable, secure, completely scalable system that can be used by our communities across the globe as one place to go to find the data they need.
Insights Hub was one of the products in terms of capability that we could use to store functional data. It also has other capability that we are going to use, such as manufacturing data. So it solves two problems with one stone. That's a good value for us.
As organisations embark on this digital journey, it's important to get buy-in from the owners of that data, the owners of the process, who need to see the value of the transformation. If they don't see the value, they don't fund the work. So it's explaining to those chief engineers, to those heads of quality, heads of safety, the benefits by having this connected data. And it's that journey of explaining how we can improve the full life cycle by interpreting different sectors into a common solution.
So Rolls-Royce have been using Siemens for a number of years. They are always willing to work with us to help Rolls-Royce achieve its digital needs. So my advice to other customers that want to use Insights Hub is to engage really early with the production development team, because they're very willing to look at your requirements and incorporate those into the product itself. Our first use case is actually only 300 users for functional data of design. We are moving from a transformation point of view to using Teamcenter, OpsCenter, Insights Hub and SimCenter in a single digital thread. We've got people from engineering who want to store their functional data, we've got manufacturing who want to put their data in there as well, and we've got the data scientists who want to use that data to then try and gain other insight into everything that we do at Rolls-Royce. And so there's a lot of interest, and it will be a really interesting journey.